song called Dangerous. So this one is from the Autumn EP as well, which everything is on Spotify, and we will be making this into a vinyl. Everything's sort of gone to press, so there'll be a vinyl and hopefully a CD album as well. It's called Seasons, and it's going to be out at the end of February time.
Similar sort of thing. Changes everything that I have ever known. With this bruising on my skin, I can run from anything when in the depths of my despair. We get right up, we start again when we have frozen. And every sense I know we'll feel it in the end. And this is now and that was then. We can learn to live again. We'll hope for better days than that. This is our purpose, and this is our reason to be here. This is what makes us. I wanna stand.